Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Acer ES1-572 model laptop with this 8GB RAM that I got it from Amazon. Already I have 4GB in this, so I'm going to upgrade it to 12GB. If you have another model laptop, then you need to check three important things. Capacity of the RAM and DDR4 or whether it's a DDR3, and another thing is a clock speed, whether it's a 2400 or 2666 megahertz. If you have installed the higher capacity, then your motherboard has a very less capacity. It works very less. That is, for example, if you have installed 2666 megahertz, but your motherboard has a capacity of 2400, it will work up to 2400 only. So I'm going to open this. So it's you should not touch this golden pins because it's very sensitive, and there might be a chance of getting corrupted. So before that, I'm going to open my laptop. I will open this. This is an MC slot available here. If you are not sure about which type of RAM you should install, then you can note the model number here, so you can go for the same model for upgrade. This is also a removable, but I am going to install it here. For that, I am going to open it like this. It's okay. So you need to be very careful. Just single press, that's it. If you want to take it, you need to push like this. Yeah, that's it. So I have installed this RAM and checked it, and only thing I found it is somewhat little heating problem is there. I don't know what makes that. And another thing is, if you want to check this whether RAM is suitable for you or not, you can do it in three ways. That going to the Crucial website by entering your model of your laptop, or by opening and seeing the existing RAM model, or you can also go to Amazon review page. Then in that search box you can search with your model number where someone has bought that will reviewed it. This RAM is also works fine with the LENOVO 330S, which my brother is using. That I have used it and it is perfectly alright. Last thing I have to say is there will be stickers over any one of the screws. If you tear that screw to open your bag, then your laptop warranty will get void. So make sure that you do anything with upgradable after your warranty period. Thank you guys, that's it.